Hi there! On this video I will show you on how to make a wireless microphone with your smartphone for your Raspberry. Let's start it!
Okay, now we will open the terminal. Then we create a folder with WiMic installer name. Then we cd to in to there, and now we get the WiMic installer from the repository. Now we set executable permission to the script, and we execute this with source. Okay, now this will download the WiMic terminal, and then we install all necessary files. Now we will wait until this finish. Okay, now exit from terminal and reboot the system. When the system in, this will auto start the WiMic in service mode.
Okay, when the system reboots, you will see the WiMic icon on the system tray. Then you can open this doing a double click on the icon, and you will see the mainframe with the Raspberry IP. Okay, now you need to download the WiMic Android application from the Play Store. Now open this, download this. Okay, you will see the WiMic Android application here. Download it and install. Okay, now go to the application. Open this, and here you need to tap on the cross to add the server and write the IP, the Raspberry IP 07. Okay, and simply you need to tap on the ADD. Okay, now you will see that we have the connection online. Now tap here, and then this will show you an untrusted certificate dialog. Simply you need to allow this and then enter to the system. When you talk, this will show you when this is when your voice is activated. So to test this, you can test this with Audacity system or application for test the input audio. Okay. Now we record. This is an audio test from my smartphone. an audio test from my smartphone. Okay, now I will show you on how to make your Raspberry as a remote speaker for your smartphone. You need to stop this and the LED will get red. Okay, select headphones, WiMic headphone, and start. Now open the WiMic client on the smartphone or table. Get the connection. This is an real-time audio test.